Good morning, boys and girls. Today I'm going to teach you how to make star sentences with sh words. Let's get started. So today's, all the pictures for today have a sh sound in them somewhere, like the word dish and sheep and fish. Remember, sh is a digraph. That's two sounds that come together to make a new sound. And you can sometimes hear sh in the beginning of a word, or you can hear sh at the end of a word. So let's get started. Now, your teacher's going to give you a strip to stick in your book. And you're right, the first picture has a shop. Oh, that's got the sh sound in it. And fish, also the sh sound at the end. Ship, sh in the front. Cash, sh at the end. And crash, also has a sh at the end. So these are quite good sentences. Let's have a look. Look at the shop. This is a fish. The ship is at sea. That is cash. The car had a crash. Now those are pretty good sentences. They all have capital letters, finger spaces, and full stops, but your teacher might think, boring, because there are no star words. You might be saying to yourself, what is a star word and how do I get it? Well, let's have a look. So it has the same strip, but have a look at this. Wow. Look at the beautiful flower shop. Beautiful is a star word. It tells you what the shop looks like. And flower is actually also a star word. I'm going to give you a star for that if you use that in your sentence today. Because look, it is a flower shop. So that gives the teacher more information about the word that you're using. Let's have a look at the fish. This cute fish swims fast. So there's two star words here. These star words tell us what the fish looks like. It's a cute little fish. It's a cute little, maybe it's an ugly fish. Maybe it's a fat fish. Maybe it's an orange fish. Those are all star words. They tell us what the fish looks like. And swims tells us what the fish is doing. Then, oh, look at this one. The big ship sails out to sea. So big tells us what the ship looks like. Maybe it's an old ship or a new ship. And yep, you've got it. Sails is a doing word. It tells us what the ship is doing. It's sailing. Oh, goodness gracious. That rich man has bags of cash. So now we know who the cash belongs to. We're not saying that is cash. We're saying that rich man has bags of cash. Amazing. Oh no, the old car had a crash. So old tells us what the car looks like. You could say it's a new car or a red car or a blue car, because you're giving the teacher more information about what the car looks like. And remember, if you say it's a red car, the picture needs to be, you've got it, red. And your teacher might think, whoa, you're super cool if you write lots of star words. So here are star words that you could use in your sentences today. Beautiful, lovely, and flower. You've got it. That's all for the shop. So if you're doing a sentence about a shop, you could say, oh, there are beautiful flowers in that lovely flower shop. If you wanted 3 star words, that's what you could use for your first one. Or for the second one, you could write cute or small fish, can swim in the sea. You could use ugly fish, you could use thin fish. And then you could say big, or you could say old or new. Ship sails across the sea. So there's quite a few star words that you could use there. You could say big new ship sails across the sea. And when you're using cash, you can say, oh, the rich man has lots of cash in his bags. Or I see lots of cash. I will be rich. And then you can say, oh, that is a bad crash. Or the old car had a crash. Or the new car had a crash. So boys and girls, I want you to go and do your best and super smart sentences. Have fun.